Another beautiful day in Havasu. It's got to be 110 degrees already. I'm on my way to meet Makay. So Makay moved to Havasu from Pennsylvania, and he's going to be helping out on the channel now. And because we live on a lake, he said he's buying another boat. So he's always wanted a Campbell boat because his name's Makay Campbell. And he's always liked Campbell boats, and they are very nice boats. So this morning, my friend Tim Miller from Maxed Out Marine, he has one that he's brokering, and we're gonna go look at it and see if Makay jumps on it to make a deal. So I figured I'd bring you guys along. Kind of cool to see how people wheel and deal on boats in Havasu. So let's go get Makay and get this party started. I'm here from the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and I'd like to invite you out to Sunday school. Where are you guys going? Get back in here. Is it, Makay?
This is it.
That's what Chinesium looks like in the Havasu heat. How hot is it right now, guys? This temperature right now,
I'm saying 111.
at 9 o'clock this morning, is hotter than the hottest temperature you guys came from, right?
Oh yeah.
The 1 and
Absolutely.
the 00. We got 100 right now.
Oh, see, I was
100.
9 o'clock this morning.
Nice log. Well, how's it look under here? It's never really been on a beach, has it?
Wow.
It's pretty dang clean.
That is super clean.
Still got the shag on the bunk here. Yeah, trailer's pretty cherry, isn't it? Got
Gags have never been rubbed on this
new
thing.
surge brake.
It doesn't look like those gags have ever been rubbed on the sand.
Where you going, little feller? What are you hunting? Huh?
Well, Merlin.
What are you doing?
I'll just get in here to show you guys a boat.
Nice. This is Tim Miller, my buddy from Maxed Out Marine. Tell us about your program. You guys-
We're a consignment boat dealership here in Lake Havasu. We sell boats on consignment for customers that keep their toys here but don't live here.
Nice.
So,
Well, let's check this.
Go
All
take a
right,
look
this
at
is Makay and Colleen.
nice
How's
to
it
meet you.
going?
Hey, how you doing?
I think I'm thinking that I only see one thing that's even at all questionable, and it's that
What?
drawer front. And that was the last people I showed it to, and they were like, I can't get the drawer open. Popped it off. So a couple
I just
little
want to see
screws
in
the
here.
back.
Let's see the horsepower maker.
The noise maker. Nice.
Double pumper carburetor. You say it's got a turbo 400, Timmy?
Yeah, turbo 400 trans, Cassell V drive. Motor's probably got about 55 to 60 hours on it. The previous owner had somebody go through it. He didn't get any paperwork or anything on it, but Absolute Speed and Marine's been doing maintenance on it and keeping an eye on it and stuff like that. And Ariel's the lead mechanic from down there lives like right here somewhere, so he's friends with them. So he's been doing all the maintenance and stuff on it for him. So, all right. Brochure that had all of the boats in it, pictures. And from then on, it's like, I want a Campbell. Well, and you're back in Havasu, and that's where they were built at for a long time. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, I'm very interested.
Literally, I'm not getting out. It's too hot. day to go to the lake, try out Makay's new boat. Dig it. I dig it. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Well, what do you think, Skillet? Reverse there, buddy, reverse. Woohoo! Cat scratching into the boat. Well, I think I'll kick these here booties off.
Heck yeah.
And strap on my pirate hat. Let's go get us some winches. No pun intended. What do you think?
Got good oil pressure, temps coming up, it's charging.
Dude.
Full tank of fuel.
So this is Makay's little hot rod boat. This is down in the cuddy. Camp up in there. It's got a lot of room in it. It's nice. Got new interior. Good looking boat. Got a stereo. Dude, is that a TV?
It is a TV.
That's a television?
It's a television. Needs to be thrown away, but it has a television in it.
Well, now.
So what year is this thing? 1970?
78.
Well, it should have a television that's like analog with twister knobs.
Black and white with a big set of antennas poking up out of the bow.
You know, this doesn't suck, I have to say. This is like, look at the Makay smile.
So
It's like no
That makes up for having to go to work.
no such thing as a bad day on the lake.
nope, no such thing as a bad day out here.
It's cooler out here.
Especially in a Campbell
So-
boat that I wanted for a long time.
Probably since we were kids.
I think
So-
I was 12 or 13 years old. I seen a Campbell boat magazine. And ever since then, it's like, I gotta have a Campbell at some point in my life.
So how does the transmission shift? You kind of figure that out?
So all the way back is reverse. You got forward, you got 2 forward gears, so I'm not sure if you need to shift it once you get up on plane.
Well, my guess is if it's reverse valve body, it'll go forward one click. If it's standard valve body, then maybe that holds it in second. There it shifted. So that got shifted third.
Yeah.
There's up on plane. Well, I gotta say, she runs pretty good. Which tank are we on? Which tank are we on?
I'm on the right one.
Probably should switch it. Sounds like it's running out of fuel. I wonder if you have to switch the valve manually. Let her idle. Let it idle. Let it idle. What's the temp on it? Water temp.
100 degrees.
Let's see if we can switch the. Just let it idle. I think that valve in the back, that valve right there is probably your fuel valve, right?
Yeah.
That's your fuel valve.
So we're on the left-hand tank.
So that's the one we put fuel in, right?
Yeah.
Or are we?
No, we're on the right-hand tank.
Oh, so you have to move it.
It's good. That's like water. Everything looks good there. I'm cool to the touch there.
Yeah.
So yeah, this tank might be almost empty as well.
I mean, it's showing full, but there was some. In
So
the
that
bottom.
switch there should switch the gauge. Did the gauge move?
Yeah, but it's showing empty on the left tank and full on the right tank.
Yeah, I think something's wrong with the gauge, so that's... Try it again. Nice day on the lake, buddy.
That was cool.
Yeah,
little
that was pretty cool.
helicopter, a little bit of boat.
Got buzzed by a Black Hawk. Is that what that was?
A Black Hawk.
Love it. Well,
That way.
yeah, we're gonna putt down the river here, the lake, call it the river, and we're gonna head for Steamboat Cove. We'll probably stop by Copper Canyon. We'll show you guys that. It's a local party spot here, but we just took a little dip in the water. And the good thing is the boat started again.
Fired up.
That's a bonus. But
Yeah. Always a bonus when the boat starts.
But yeah, she's a running good, so we'll get underway. Well, this is the world famous Copper Canyon. So people hang out here all day. They get up on that ledge up there and they jump off and hurt themselves. It's quite entertaining sometimes. But yeah, it's usually a pretty big party going on back here on the weekends. Today it's just some pontoon boats having a good time. So yeah, we'll turn out of here and head down to Steamboat Cove. So that'll be a little more our speed for today. Well, the world famous Steamboat Cove.
Steamboat?
This is Steamboat Cove. It's pretty nice here. I'll just say it doesn't suck, especially when it's 115 or 18 degrees. I don't know what it is today. I'm just gonna call it warm because yesterday was hot, today's warm. So we're gonna dip in the lake. Well, we've had enough floating and bobbing and goofing off. It's time to go put this girl on the trailer and go get us a Euro at the Greek. What's it called? Nico's Bar and Grill.
First time I've driven my own boat under London Bridge.
You know what they say, if you're not first, you're last.
You're the first loser.
So how did it feel? Do you feel like a winner?
I do feel like a winner. I do. It was worth it. I thought it'd take longer to get a boat.